Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Triumph America LT. This is the luxury touring edition. Comes standard with floorboards, heel toe shifter, quick release windscreen, leather saddlebags, rear backrest. It's also got that tank cover with a little pocket in there. Only 1,075 miles. This bike is equipped with the Triumph factory upgraded exhaust system. Fantastic condition on this beautiful metallic blue Triumph America LT. Only 1,075 miles. Price to sell just $59.90. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.